Hey traders, I don't think there's enough people talking about this strategy. This is a great strategy. Market maker model close strategy, the reversal. So basically you're looking for price to come down, go across, come back up, make this cup shape formation and wait for the reversal. That's pretty much it. You do want that long horizontal and vertical action to make it really play out well. Ideally, you would want the price to come up at this point or past it. In this case, it doesn't, but it's still really good. There's a fair value gap here, an implied fair value gap here. It taps right into it, so that's a good signal for us. But this is the strategy. Super easy, super simple, great for new people start trading. Even happens right around start of the session in Asian session. So yeah, on top of that, there's this indicator here that can alert you to when the action is happening. This is on the 6 minute, and I'm on the 4 minute right now, so it happens on both time frames.